Look at this Range Rover. It is completely covered in dried mud. But we can make it look brand new. Let's get it inside. Places like these wheel arches collect the most dirt, and you can see how the mud packs in here. These areas require extensive years of dirt, mud, and contamination have accumulated on this vehicle. This first wash will reveal the true condition. All right, let's get this extremely dirty ride cleaned up. The initial rinse got rid of the loose mud, but as you can see, road film is still bonded. We need foam and scrubbing for this. Let's get ready for stage 2. Scrubbing will remove bonded dirt and road film that survived the pressure wash stage. This is the most satisfying cleaning stage. The dirt trapped inside these openings is finally coming. These small areas usually trap the most dirt and require extra attention. You can already feel the surface becoming much smoother as the contamination comes off. These lower sections collect the most road contamination and require extra attention. These hidden seams often hold dirt that regular washing cannot reach. Successfully removed all major dirt, mud, and road film from the surface. All surface contamination is gone, and she's perfectly ready for the drying stage. This is the best part.